Beacon Hill is a large format paver that's available with two distinct surface textures, a subtle flagstone texture and a sleek, smooth texture. If you look closely, you'll notice that the surface of these pavers is more refined than a traditional paver. This is because Beacon Hill is manufactured with EnduraColor, a special process that combines a strong base of larger aggregates with fine aggregates and concentrated color in the top portion. This results in an extremely durable paver with color that lasts. Still, you'll want to handle these units with care, avoiding any unit-to-unit contact that might scratch the surface or chip the edges. This sheeting material that you see between the layers on the bundle is there exactly for this reason, to protect the EnduraColor surface during transportation. Beacon Hill is sold in a 3-piece random bundle that can be installed in a variety of patterns, from random to linear. There is also an extra large size slab available that can be seamlessly integrated with the random bundle or used on its own for an even larger scale look. No matter which configuration you choose, always remember to pull from more than one bundle at a time, at least 2 and ideally 3. This ensures that any slight color variation between bundles will be evenly distributed in the finished project. Be sure to also visually inspect the pavers as they are installed, setting aside any damaged units to use for cuts. After you have installed all Beacon Hill pavers, including cut pieces, and before adding any infill material to the joints, the entire paver surface should be compacted to set the pavers into the bedding layer and ensure an even surface. In order to prevent accidental damage to the pavers, a roller paver compactor is the ideal tool for this step. However, a vibratory plate compactor with a protective anti-scuff pad will also work. After compaction, you're ready for joint infill material. Polymeric sand is a popular choice for Beacon Hill. However, there are various acceptable joint infill options. Just make sure that whatever joint material you choose, it meets ASTM C144 or C33 specification. When filling the joints, make sure the material height is 1/8 of an inch below the rounded edge of the pavers. You don't want the joints to be over full. Then, before you perform final compaction or activate the joint material, make sure the surface of Beacon Hill is free of residual material. Otherwise, you may risk scuffing the pavers or ending up with poly haze on the surface that is very difficult to remove. It is critically important that you exactly follow the installation instructions for the joint material you choose, because the installation and activation processes can vary from one manufacturer to another. Beacon Hill does not require sealing. However, some people like the way a sealer will make the colors of the paver a bit deeper or give them a wet appearance. If the project area is used for cooking, dining, or otherwise prone to spills, applying an aftermarket sealer can also help prevent stain penetration and make the pavers easier to clean. Sealing can also enhance joint material stability, helping to prevent washout over time. This video provides just a few tips to help make your project more successful. For more information on this or any Unilock product, please connect with one of our many knowledgeable and experienced territory managers by making a request online at unilock.com or by calling 1-800-UNILOCK.